Here it is right here.
There it is right there?
Yeah, this is right here. Look, this knob and everything. You see, I don't know. Cause this probably was messed up on yours, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, here. So yeah, I mean, you know what I mean? Cause this you can still take the rotor out. You can see the rotor pack.
That GG in the cut, that's a scary sight.
Oh yes, cuz you the man. Nah, we ain't on that little boy shit, man. We had to, we had to boss up. Knew I was a man when I realized that I wasn't on shit. All that work I put in these streets and I don't know shit. I don't wanna slide with no nigga, you hit my phone, click. I don't wanna hear about your problems, I got my own shit. Soon as I find a lane, I put you on, cause me, I'm so legit. Soon as you got some change, you hit the game, ain't think I noticed it. I don't even speak about what I did, shit, I just closed my lips. But I done gave out covers without me, you would be coldest.
What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy SVT.J, and I'm back with another video. If you haven't already, man, give this video a thumbs up and like, comment, and subscribe. But today, right now as we speak, you know what I'm saying, we are on our way to go pick up this Supercharger. What's your YouTube, man?
Daily, is that Daily Automotives?
Daily Automotives?
Yeah, Daily Automotives.
I got here and instantly was like, oh yeah, he's for sure a car guy.
Yeah. It's back here.
The blower? Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can walk like this.
There it is right there?
Yeah, this is right here. Look, this knob and everything. You see, I don't know. Cause this probably was messed up on yours, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, here. So yeah, I mean, you know what I mean? Cause this you can still take the rotor out. You can see the rotor pack. No wear on that.
Yeah, little to none.
That's
the only thing that's probably concerning is this right here.
Nah, that's nothing. Just need to clean that up.
Oh, so it's supposed to be like that? Oh, this is paint chipping off.
Yeah, that's probably sliding back in here. But
you said it was ported? It was taken apart to be ported?
Yeah. Like, you check the bottom out.
All right, guys, so here's our Supercharger, man. Here go the breakdown. Here go the snout. The Supercharger's been pulled apart. It was taken apart to be ported, and it is slightly ported, ported by hand. Somebody ported this. It wasn't a major company or anything. It's just slightly ported right up under the bottom here. We're gonna go ahead and go over here. We're gonna take this this Supercharger off, and we're gonna disassemble everything. And we're gonna see how this snout right here is performing. If this snout right here is bad or it's no good, we may have to replace it. We may have to, use that snout up there, which is gonna put a major setback on plans. We need our breaker bar. Put a breaker bar in here, and pretty much take this Supercharger belt apart. Let's hear how it sounds. Hold on. All right, guys, so we took the blower out. We got all this stuff done. Here go the moment of truth. I have not, and I repeat, I have not took this Supercharger snout off just yet. I want to wait and explore and look at this with you guys. Let's move these screws out the way. Let's see how the insides of this look compared to this one. You can already tell that it's a whole lot more airspace and airway through this one than this side. So that's a plus, that's a bonus. You hear that? All right, so let's try to crack the snout. Pull this off. Oh, shit. All right, so I expected this. Oh my God. I see nothing. Okay, I see the oil, but it's like noticeably that it is a whole lot of shit in there that ain't supposed to be in there. So next step is we're gonna pull out the good shit. Need a screwdriver for that. I don't know much about what the fuck the inside of the blower is supposed to look like, but I know damn well that they're not supposed to look like this. Let's see if we can pull the rotors out. Is it moving? I don't think it's moving forward. Let's pry. Oh, it came out. Let's look at this shit. Alright. Whoa. The other rotors ain't have that much play in it. I mean, it has some play in it, but it ain't have that much play in it. Let's look at this shit. Yo, ain't no fucking way. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up the best that I can. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this shit up the best that I can. And then I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it onto the new blower. And it's gonna be all she wrote from there. All right, guys, so we got the blower and supercharger installed. Gonna go over, check everything. Finna try to put some more coolant in here and throw some blower oil in there. That's where we fucked up at the first time. And then we're gonna get this thing started. See how it sounds. See if it starts up. And yeah, it's up from there. All right, guys, so I checked over and looked over everything. We are fin to start her up. Dear Heavenly Lord Jesus, I pray that you're with me today. I just want to take a double glance at everything. Make sure everything looking good. All right, let's start her, man. Fingers crossed, man. Holy shit. Started right up.
As soon as I find a lane, I put you on, cause me, I'm so legit. As soon as you got some change, you hit the game, ain't think I noticed it. I don't even speak about what I did, shit, I just closed my lips, but I didn't gave out covers.